Hello guys, I'm on Rosemarugi and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to look at four of the most breathtaking waterfalls in Kenya. Now you know Kenya is fortunate enough to have some of the most beautiful landscapes and sceneries in Kenya, and some of those land features include waterfalls. Now I've been fortunate enough to go to some of the places that I'll recommend, so you know you'll be getting first hand information which is accurate. Now, without further ado, let's look at some of the most amazing waterfalls in Kenya and some of the other activities that you can do while you're in the vicinity. The first breathtaking waterfall in Kenya is the 14 Falls, which is situated in Thika. As the name suggests, 14 Falls has 14 consecutive waterfalls which form on the Athi River. 14 Falls is the largest waterfall in Kenya in terms of width and is only 27 meters in height. When you come to 14 Falls, you can enjoy activities like boat riding, professional photography, fishing, bird watching, and rock climbing at the base of the waterfall. This beautiful 21-foot waterfall is located along the Ololua Nature Trail in Ololau Forest in Karen. The cascading white water from the fall is mesmerizing, and the tranquility and serenity in this area is simply incredible. Other attractions in the Ololua Nature Trail include the papyrus swamp, the caves, the hiking trails, the wooden tower, and the campsite. Karura Waterfall is situated in Karura Forest, about 5 kilometers outside the Nairobi CBD. The enchanting waterfall turns orange in color during the rainy season and turns back to a clear white color during the dry season. The area is perfect for photo shoots and picnics. Other attractions in Karura Forest include the caves, the Butterfly Lake, the Lily Lake, and 50 kilometers of trails for visitors to walk, run, or ride their bikes. Paradise Lost has a spectacular crystal clear waterfall that is situated near the entrance to the caves. The majestic waterfalls can provide a spectacular background for professional photo shoots and video shoots. In addition, there are other popular activities that visitors can do in Paradise Lost, such as seeing the caves, which are estimated to be 2.5 million years old, boat riding, fishing on the small lake at Paradise Lost, zip lining, horse riding, bird watching, going on nature walks, and having picnics on the green grounds. Now, that was quite a comprehensive list of some of the most beautiful waterfall locations in Kenya. Now, you know that in some of these locations, you can go for your family gatherings, team building exercises with your colleagues, picnics, romantic dates, solo outings, and anything else that you can think of. Now, if you want another comprehensive list of some of the most interesting places to visit in Kenya, don't miss out on my next video. Until next time, I'm on Rosemarugi. Have a good day.